still a bit cold. It also makes it a bit fun, and it's wet. Blind corners, need to watch out for those. Second gear would have been better here. Here as well. The road surface is sketchy though, and the oncoming cars really need to watch out here. And we are up already. I'm gonna turn around up there and go the same road back down. I'm glad this car isn't that low, so I don't scrape all the time. We also have a lot of power at the middle of the rev range. Oh no, missed the heel toe. Don't like that. Nice corner here and no traffic today, that's so nice. Woo, shit, that road is so sick. Happy the brakes on this car are so good. Oh, now my favorite section, hopefully no oncoming cars. That is so sick. Slippery, watching out. gonna slow down here because I'm getting shaken. Oh no! Now we have cars in front of us. Yeah, I mean the road is done anyways, so I'm not gonna overtake these guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please press the like pedal. Also the subscribe pedal is really nice, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.
He said, which is better, Chevy's or Dodge? 3 weeks later, that man was my so-called best friend for life. He said, which is better, Chevy's or Dodge? We're still friends 20 years on, all cause of my first car. The calls start coming in early, diesel Chevys and Dodges. Some run well like normal, and with others we've got problems. To customers who ask for a specific brand of car, I throw the keys to both, so that they would get more. I said,